Have you ever wondered what kind of home you could buy with $1 billion, or maybe $2 billion? Around the world, there are houses so incredibly expensive that their value is higher than entire neighborhoods. These aren't just homes, they are symbols of power, legacy, and a level of wealth that most of us can only dream of. Today, we're taking a tour of the top 3 most expensive houses on the entire planet. Prepare to be amazed. Starting our countdown at number 3 is a historic masterpiece on the French Riviera, the Villa Leopolda. Perched overlooking the stunning Mediterranean Sea, this legendary estate isn't just a house, it's a piece of history. Originally constructed back in 1902 for King Leopold II of Belgium, one of the wealthiest monarchs in history, this villa quickly became a symbol of old European wealth and royal luxury. Imagine this, Villa Leopolda sits on nearly 50 acres of pristine land. This isn't just a backyard. It's a private kingdom covered with perfectly manicured gardens, ancient olive trees, and breathtaking sea views that stretch to the horizon. The property itself is a compound, featuring multiple buildings, elegant guest houses, sparkling swimming pools, and even its own network of private roads to navigate the expansive grounds. Step inside, and you're transported to an era of classic European elegance. The interiors are a spectacle of grand halls with soaring ceilings, priceless works of art hanging on every wall, opulent marble finishes, and architecture that has stood for over a century. Every single detail was designed with 2 things in mind: absolute privacy and unparalleled prestige. The estimated value of Villa Leopolda is around $750 million. What makes this home so special isn't the latest smart home technology or its skyscraper height. It's the history woven into its very foundation. This is a place that was once owned by kings, frequented by billionaires, and hosted the global elite. Villa Leopolda represents the essence of old money luxury. It's quiet, it's powerful, and it's utterly timeless. It's a statement of wealth that doesn't need to shout. Moving on to number 2, we head to the heart of London, to one of the most famous and recognizable buildings on Earth, Buckingham Palace. While it's known globally as the official residence of the British monarch, Buckingham Palace is also considered one of the most valuable residential properties in the world. And when you hear the details, you'll understand why. The palace is massive, boasting an incredible 775 rooms. This includes private bedrooms for the royal family, countless offices for the royal staff, grand ballrooms for lavish events, majestic banquet halls, and luxurious guest suites for visiting dignitaries. It sits on some of the most prime real estate in central London, surrounded by lush, private royal gardens and secured areas that are off limits to the public. But Buckingham Palace is so much more than just a home. It's the functioning headquarters of the British monarchy. It is the stage for royal ceremonies watched by millions, state dinners hosting world leaders, and critical meetings that shape international policy. The palace is protected by the iconic elite guards in their red coats and bearskin hats, but also by state-of-the-art security systems and centuries-old traditions of protocol and safety. Every wall, every room, and every artifact inside holds immense historical value. Wars were planned within its walls. Generations of kings and queens have lived and died here. And global decisions that have shaped our modern world were made within its chambers. Based on its land value, its incredible history, and its global significance, experts estimate the value of Buckingham Palace at over $2 billion. What makes it truly priceless isn't just its staggering size, it's its irreplaceable role in world history. Buckingham Palace is the ultimate symbol of royal power and enduring legacy. And now, for the number 1 spot on our list. At the very top stands the most expensive private house in the world, Antilia, located in the bustling metropolis of Mumbai, India. Antilia is the private residence of Mukesh Ambani, the chairman of Reliance Industries and consistently one of the richest men on the planet. This architectural marvel is valued at over $1 billion, making it the most expensive private home ever built. Antilia is a staggering 27-story vertical mansion. But here's a mind-bending fact: because each floor has double or even triple height ceilings, the building stands as tall as a conventional 60-story skyscraper. It completely dominates the Mumbai skyline. Inside Antilia, the concept of luxury is pushed to a level that few can even imagine. Let's break down what's inside this residential tower. The house includes multiple helipads on the roof for quick and private travel. There's a 168-car garage spread over several floors to house an extensive collection of luxury vehicles. For entertainment, there's a private cinema that seats dozens, a grand ballroom for hosting extravagant parties, and numerous luxury guest suites that would rival any five-star hotel. But it doesn't stop there. The mansion contains a private temple for worship, beautiful hanging gardens that cascade down the sides of the building, and dedicated wellness centers with spas and gyms. There's even a snow room that produces artificial snowflakes to help the family cool off from the Mumbai heat. Advanced security and surveillance systems ensure the family's safety around the clock. To keep a place like this running requires a staff of hundreds. We're talking about gourmet chefs, dedicated security teams, maintenance crews, and a full personal staff. The entire building is engineered to withstand major earthquakes and other extreme weather conditions, making it a modern-day fortress. And to add another layer of uniqueness, no two floors in Antilia are designed the same. Each has its own distinct theme and materials. Antilia is not just a house, it's a self-contained city in the sky. In a city where millions of people live in small apartments, Antilia stands as a powerful and sometimes controversial symbol of modern wealth, soaring ambition, and global influence. It is a testament to what is possible when financial resources are virtually limitless. From the timeless elegance of the French Riviera to the royal heart of London and the futuristic heights of Mumbai, these homes are more than just places to live. They are monuments to history, power, and wealth on a scale that is truly hard to comprehend. Thanks for watching. If you were fascinated by this glimpse into the world of ultimate luxury, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more incredible content. See you next time.